Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can easily use Monday.com for CRM. So the first thing we're going to do, we are going to choose a template. What you want to do is under main workspace, you want to click add. Here you want to choose from templates and then search all templates. Here you want to write CRM, or you want to click here sales and CRM under the docs. When you're going to be here, you want to simply choose, let's say this is going to be a CRM. So I'm going to teach you this one, but of course we can also jump in the end of the video about like sales enablement kit, also customer onboarding. So we can look and check all of these templates. So let's click here on a CRM and let's click use template. Let's wait a while until it's going to load, and then we are going to continue. So what we can actually find here, when we come here to the CRM, the folder, you can find deals, contacts, accounts, leads, activities. So these are the most important things. But let's start that we're going to find contacts first, then we would come to the deals. Now, when we come here to the contact, let's create completely a new thing. So let's say we are going to start from the beginning, and I'm going to show you how we can actually use it. So if you're going to start, let's say, account as a companies, let's start with that. First thing, we are going to add account, and this is going to be, let's say, Sun V company. We don't have yet a contact here, but we are going to create it. This is going to be type, let's say, a partner or client. This is client. And now what we can do is go back to the contacts. I'm going to also add a contact here, which is going to be called Marcus contact. And this is our, let's say, customer or qualified lead. Then when we're going to click here on, this is like a dependency already, you can simply choose a company. What it will do is that you will have directly everything connected together. Deals, contacts, accounts, leads, everything will be connected together. So therefore you don't have to jump around, you just like choose always the contact here. Now we don't have yet a deal, but we will get to it. You're gonna find also the title here for the contact. Then you're gonna find the priority, the phone number, email, company, you can write it, and deals value. We don't have it yet, but we will get there. So this is how you can simply add a contact. You can also filter it, and you can filter it by, let's say, a name or a type. Then when you have it, let's go back to the contact account, and we can easily see, look what happened. In a moment when we like added in our contacts the account Sun V company, when we click on account, we can have directly right here. Then account value, let's say we don't have it yet. Then priority, let's say this is going to be low, and you can have create new label or edit labels. This is going to be IT, like this. Then email and comments. So here you can easily add account. Now what you can do then is to simply have a leads, and we will get there too, how you can use that. And then I want to show you how you can easily add a deal. So I can have a deal here, and these are the active deals, and these are the closed one. Of course, guys, what you can have is also the stages here. I'm going to show you how you can use it with Kanban. So when you're going to have the active deals here, I can have add a deal. So this could be, let's say, deal, YouTube deal. Now I can have a stage, which can be, let's say, proposal, negotiation, contracts, and one lost. So this can be proposal, contact. Look what will happen. I'm going to choose the contact here. In the moment when I choose the contact, it's directly connected to the account and contacts are directly linked to this deal. Then priority, let's say this is going to be high. Deal length, we don't have it yet, but let's say accepted close date, it's August 25. And if I'm going to like add the parameters, you would find also the deal length here. So here, let's say deal value, it can be 10,000, let's say $100,000. And now let's say close probability 80%. Close date, we don't have it yet. And deal creation is, let's say, today. Right now you see that deal length is 1 day. So that's pretty great. Now, of course, you can have also the location here, whether it's happening on right side. And look what will happen. So now we have perfect YouTube deal. Now, if I would jump back to the account, oh, my window closed, to the accounts, and what you can find is directly the deal here. So you're gonna find the YouTube deal, and also in the contacts, you would find the deals. So it's automatically linked together. So what we can find further even, and what you can do is a closed one. So this is how you can actually do it, is when you would come to Kanban, and here you would find all the leads, negotiation, contract sent, proposal won, lost, empty. Of course, you can edit this Kanban as much as you want. So let's say you want to disable deal length, close date, probability, forecast value, location, and voila, now you can have it really perfect and really effective. So lead, negotiation, proposal, won, lost, empty. And now you have it perfect. What you can do also is to see the forecast. And forecast, this is like the basic, like the analytics, what's important here. Now what you can do also is going to go on top right and workflows, click there. And here you can find active workflows. And here you can find when email is open, notify item subscribers with a message. When the item is created, set a deal creation date to day. When a stage changed to won, move item to close won. So if I'm going to like choose in a Kanban, let's say this is a negotiation and I'm added to won, what will happen that it will take a little while. It will automatically add here. Look at this, deal name free. So this is how the workflow works. When stage changes to lead, move item to active deals. So this is pretty great. So this is how you can do it. Now let me also show you the leads. If you can have any questions regards the deals, contacts, accounts, don't hesitate to ask me. On the leads, again, I can simply add a lead. So this would be Marcus lead. Innovative name. Attempt to contact, contacted, follow up, qualified, unqualified. And you can have an email here, the title, the company, the phone number. So that's pretty much it, how we can do it, and that's how it works. So you can fill it out. Then you're gonna find also the activities, and when we click on activity, these are the account activities. You can have like what is actually happening, what are you doing. Now what you can do is to have your own to-do list. This is something that you can create here, and I would recommend to doing that, is to create a to-do list. And I can create also like complete new video on it because I think it's missing here. To have a to-do list, what are you actually doing? So something like this, but you can have it better. So let's say it would be, you can have it as a weekly or monthly. So let's say you could have it on August. Now I could have it call Marcus client, item, contact Marcus client, end time today start time today, and it's open phone call. Then what I would have is a Kanban board on open done to what should I actually do. So this is how would I prefer it if you would have it, like have an activity what you need to do. So have some kind of like to-do list here. That's important, I believe. So that's what I would recommend for you to have or you to do. What you can do then later is to simply click add here. And you can choose from template again. And let's say you're gonna click here sales and CRM. So you can simply choose customer onboarding, right? Or have a contact here. So we can check that also, and we will see how it goes. See, this is just like a contact here where you have like type priority. That's something we already found in contacts, but you can have it alone. Now you can have add again, and you can choose from template, sales and CRM. Let's say this would be also the customer onboarding. And right here, you can find awaiting onboarding, onboarding process, paying customers, at risk. So this is something that I can teach you again and create a tutorial on this too. If you want me to create a customer onboarding, let me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to do that and really happy to teach you how to do it. So thank you very much guys for watching. I hope you're going to have a great day, an amazing time here, and yeah, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.